Okay, today we looked at our second investigation, does air have mass? With the start of our second investigation, we got a couple vocab words. We're looking at some of the vocab words, starting off with this investigation into weather. Things like air, atmosphere, if things get compressed or closer together, layers of the atmosphere like the exosphere, if things begin to expand or take up more space, mass, as we're talking about matter as well, another layer of the atmosphere with the mesosphere. Particles, permanent gases, pressure, the stratosphere, thermosphere, troposphere, variable gases, and weight. So those are some of the different terms that we're going to be looking at as we go through this investigation. And with the lab that we're going to be looking at, the main question is, does air have mass? When we go to do that, what we're going to be doing is setting up a balance where we have two balloons, okay, that are balanced on either side of a balance. And when we pop one of the balloons, we should see that one of the balloons will then be left heavier because it has mass, and gravity will pull on that balloon. So as we go through looking at this, we blew up the two balloons, forcing air to resist the rubber membrane of the balloons. The elasticity of the rubber puts pressure on the air inside the balloons, and the air inside the balloons is slightly compressed. As we pop the balloons, when the air is let out of the balloons, there's no longer compressed, and we can start to see that the balance tips down, and we see that the one balloon is then heavier, or now is being pulled by gravity, and the other balloon is now lighter and not being pulled by gravity. Because the one balloon has more mass than the deflated balloon, there's very little air, and therefore we have shown that air does have mass. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to stop by in class and ask.